Welcome back, friends. We will study today the decision control statements. Decision control statements are like we can change the execution flow of the program. These are used for that. In life, we make decisions based on certain conditions. So, in a similar manner, in program, we can put in some decision control statements to control the execution, like based on some condition, the execution should go this way or not, or it should go the other way. Usually, C programming the statements in C programming are sequentially executed, like one after the another serially. But the decision control statements, they usually come with a condition or an expression, and the execution is based on the result of that expression. So we can use the built-in statements in C, like if else, and switch case. These are used for making decisions based on expressions and then control the execution flow of the program. So whenever we use expressions along with these statements, we have to use logical operation expressions. We'll see the different logical expressions here. There are logical operators like and or. Then we have a negation operator, which is known as a complement, like it complements if 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, like that. And then we have four relational operators, which are less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. And then we have equality operators, that is equal to and not equal to. This is used for comparison. Say we are comparing one value with another, we have to pay attention to some important notes. Like here, equal to means this is used for comparison, and a single equal to is used for assignment. Say we are assigning some value to a variable, then whatever logical expression we write, if the relation executes to be true, then its value is return is 1, and if the value will be 0 if the relation is false. And also here we can see like the relational operators, as I explained here, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, these have the highest priority. However, all the relational operators among themselves, they have the same priority, but among the operators, different operators, relational operators have highest priority. Then come the equality operators, this equal to and not equal to, and below them come the logical operators, that is and or. However, arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, they have higher priority than the relational operators. And also the logical expressions are evaluated from left to right. Like left to right means like from starting with the leftmost expression to the right, and the evaluation continues and it stops once the result is known, that is either 1 or 0, that is true or false. Now we'll see some syntax of writing these statements. If the syntax for if statement is like if, then under round brackets we have to enter the expression or the condition, and then statement. We will clarify this when I'll show you the program. However, there are some important points which we need to be note. No need to give curly braces if there is only one statement under if, like I have shown here. If there is only one statement, need not give curly braces. That is, body of if is not required. If there are multiple statements which are to be executed based on the condition mentioned in the brown brackets in the if statement, then we need to give the curly braces, which will form the body of the if statement. Also, when the expression under the round brackets is true, then the statements under the if or under the body of if will be executed. If not, then the statement under if or the body of the if, it will be skipped, and the execution control goes to the next statement or the statement after the body of the if. That is, the if part will not be executed if the condition is false. If the condition is true, only then the if statement or the if block is executed. Now there we are also see the syntax for if else. Like here it's the same, just I have added the else and a statement under it. Here also, if there is only one statement under else, no need to give curly braces. Else we have to give curly braces for multiple statements. We'll also see the nested if else syntax. Nested if else is like there is if else statement under a bigger if else statement. Say like now I have written if expression, under that we have one if else pair, and then this else is for this if, this else is for this if. So this is like else associates with the nearest if there is no curly braces. However, this will be clear when we'll see the programming. So now as we have if else under this if, we have again if else under this else. So these if and else are one pair, this if and else are one pair, and this if and else are another pair. So let's see the program. Yeah, so I have programs here. First I'll start with the if program. I'll open it. See, this program is to demonstrate the use of if statement. Here, as we have just included the standard input output and console input output statements, and then void main. Here, the program execution starts. I've declared an integer variable a. Then I've asked the user to enter the value of a. I've accepted it using the scanf statement, and I've written a simple if statement like if a is greater than 9, then the entered number is a two-digit number. Now, if the entered number is less than 9, then this condition will be false and the statement printf will not be executed. So let's run it. So now I am entering, say, 6. Nothing is displayed because 6 is a less than 9. So this condition comes out to be false. So nothing is so now if I again run it and say I enter 12, so here the message is displayed, entered number is a two-digit number. This means this condition executes to be true, hence the printf statement under it is executed. So now let's see another program which displays if else. So here also I have entered declared integer variable a, and here I have just mentioned in the same program, like I have just added the else statement here, and if entered number is less than 9, then the else part will be executed here, so that if this condition is false, then the control execution control goes to the else part and this will be executed. You can see. So now I'll enter 24. The first message is displayed, that is if statement is true. So now if I enter a single digit number, say 7, then here entered number is a single digit number. So this means else part is executed. I hope you got this point. Now let's see the nested if else program. Yeah. So here also, here nested if else is like I have shown, I have again declared integer variable a, and then